Hi, I'm Jens Housley, Global Product Manager for Manitou. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the Manitou Cruise model. Let's check out all the great features that this model has to offer by using the new Manitou Cruise Max twin tube model powered with a Rotax S150 outboard engine. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and modern wall design. This design was achieved through an aluminum transformation process that allows for unique exterior walls that take inspiration from the automotive industry. Next, you'll notice the LED docking lights. Seamlessly integrated with the sleek exterior walls, the black bezel leads the way with modern integrated LED docking lights and navigation lights. Adding to the modern aesthetic is the bimini. This forward-folding bimini offers 10 feet of coverage and is extremely user-friendly. Cruise boats are also available in two different hull types, a twin-tube hull and a V-tune hull. Manitou twin-tube hulls are constructed with two 25-inch pontoons attached to the deck, and each tune is equipped with nose cones that are designed with splash guards to ensure a comfortable, dry ride on the water. Manitou V-tune hulls have three pontoons under the boat, all featuring reinforced nose cones, splash guards, and strategically placed lifting strakes. The center pontoon sits slightly lower in the water than the outer tubes, resulting in the exact degree needed to simulate the standard V-shaped hull. Our V-tune hull technology has helped to make Manitou one of the leaders in performance pontoons. We've engineered hulls to provide total confidence for you and your passengers when idling, at full throttle, or taking a tight turn. Beyond the groundbreaking design, there are many game-changing innovations that take the onboard experience to a new level. The feature that sets the Manitou Cruise Max apart from all other boats is the deck at the stern of the boat. The sleek platform, which we call the Max Deck, takes pontooning to the next level by adding an additional 4 feet of usable length to the stern of the boat. The additional space is ideal for recreational activities, lounging, and provides additional space to store water toys, coolers, and more. The Max Deck is available on both our V-tune and twin tube hulls and exclusively on models powered by Rotax S, the world's first outboard engine featuring stealth technology. This groundbreaking engine is available in 115 and 150 horsepowers and delivers all the same advantages of a traditional outboard plus more. Rotax S engines are efficient, deliver cleaner power, come standard with digital throttle, shifting, and power steering, allow owners the ability to winterize within seconds, and are extremely easy to maintain. You also have the option to choose a traditional outboard engine with a standard stern platform in lieu of the Max Deck. The Max Deck includes link attachments. Available on all Manitou models, the industry-leading link system from BRP lets you add storage and cooler options that fit your needs. Moving inside the boat, you'll see how unique and flexible the interior is. The switchback floor plan that's featured on this boat offers 3 switchback seats, one at the co-captain position and 2 at the stern. Manitou's switchback seats give you better lounging and sitting positions with adjustable backrests that can be flipped forwards and backwards. The switchback seats at the stern are perfect for lounging on the Max Deck. At the helm, we've incorporated a Garmin digital dashboard to ensure a clear line of sight to all the information a captain would need. The Fusion radio control and boat switches are also easily accessible and intuitive. Throughout the boat, you'll see cup holders and speakers that have been integrated into the walls to offer an enhanced onboard experience without sacrificing seating or storage space. We know that spending a day on the water means bringing a boat full of stuff. Manitou's cruise boats are designed to not only maximize seating space, but also storage space. This includes underseat storage, link storage on all Max Deck models, dry storage, glove box, and captain's helm storage. Cruise models are available in 2 floor plans, 3 lengths, 2 exterior colors, and 2 interior and accent colors. With groundbreaking design and game-changing innovation, the Cruise redefines what a pontoon should be. More than a boat, it's your pathway to an indescribable summer. We also offer many of these same features and more on our recreational model, the Manitou Explorer. For more information on the Explorer, check out our website, ManitouPontoonboats.com. Make sure to follow us and visit your local Manitou dealer to see the new generation of Manitou pontoons that has been designed to rise above in every way.